We're back with newfound determination and a giant level.
It's Stanley, like the cup.
And it's from Home Depot.
On what I can hardly believe is day 10 of this bedroom makeover. We were met with more measuring obstacles before deciding to do 4 boards on each side of the bed instead of 5. And then this little decorative corner chunk of wood gave me about an hour of headaches as I used a chisel to get it off without wrecking the baseboard because I'm just leaving those as is. Once that was off, I was able to finish placing all the boards on the other side of the room. And then I was really on a roll. I decided to use the extra boards to frame the top of the wall, and I took the nails out of my warped board to use a scrap wood to fill in the gaps at the top of each board. I don't have a table saw in my garage just yet, so I hand sawed these boards by hand, so no arm workouts will be needed in my future. But it worked, and I got all of these little pieces put together to finish the framework for my accent wall. I'm so excited. The design turned out better than my initial idea, even with all the DIY drama. And if you're thinking, Shannon, that doesn't really look that good, I ran across a saying that said, caulk and paint makes you the carpenter you ain't. So we're about to caulk and paint the shiznat out of this wall until it looks profesh. I hope you follow along and come back for what better be the final update, and I'll see y'all soon.